So many people suggested that we update these cabinets in the kitchen.
Yeah, so it looks like the drawers are cracked and they tried to fix them?
Yeah, when you open these up, these drawers, they actually come all the way out and they actually fall on the floor, and that happened to Sue once. I feel sorry for our downstairs neighbor.
And what about these doors? They have a hand grab and a handle.
And the hinges are outside. Now that's old-fashioned. And you can see that the uppers were repaired a couple times. The glass is sort of glued in.
So we contacted Josh at Beachside Refinishing.
So Josh came over and gave us all the options. Now they will replace all the cabinets with all new stuff if you want, but for a lower cost, they will refinish them too. And that's what we're gonna have them do. So take a good look. This is how they look now, and we'll see how they look after Josh is done working his magic. All right, good morning. Today's a big day. Today's part 3 of the Reno of the condo. And today they're starting the renovation of the cabinets. Now we're not buying new cabinets, but we're having them rejuvenated. So what's gonna happen is the doors will all be removed and discarded. New doors are being made at the shop. And then the wood will all be sanded down and repainted to match the new doors. And that goes for these rickety old drawers too. They're gonna be discarded and new drawers will be built in the shop and installed here. And everything will be painted to match in a color called Chantilly lace, which is sort of a white with a little bit of gray. And the whole process is supposed to take 3 days. The crew arrived right on time and began to dismantle the cabinets. Okay, the work has begun. On day 1, they took off all the doors and drawers, rechecked their measurements, and also removed the crown molding. So again, to save money, new doors are going on, but we're keeping the boxes, which will be sanded and repainted. And as we tear things apart, check out this original kitchen wallpaper from 1983.
80s style.
Okay, so it's day 2 of the cabinet refacing. As you saw yesterday, they took off the hardware and the old doors, took off the molding on top, and they even started to install the new molding, as you can see up there. The crew should be back soon, and let's see what they do today. When they arrived, they set up an exhaust ventilation system and began to sand the cabinets. They're hard at work. You can see behind me there's a blower. They're sanding, using electric sander. They're using wood filler. They're going to come back and prime it after that. Okay, day 2 is done. The cabinets have been sanded, primed, and a little bit of wood filler was placed where it was needed. And tomorrow they're coming back to paint the cabinets.
How many times have to paint the hut?
Okay, so it's day 3, and actually the painter has already been here from Beachside Refinishing and painted the cabinets. He did it all by hand, more than one coat, and the doors and drawers, they're being painted at his workshop. We think it came out great. It looks almost like a factory finish. And early next week, they're coming back to install the doors, the drawers, and all the hardware. And then we'll be done.
Now there's the renovation.
All right, today's the big day. Today the kitchen gets finished. They're coming with the new doors, the new drawers, and the new facing for the area down here. And they should be here any minute. And when they're done, this project of redoing this condo should be finished. The crew arrived on time and went right to work. All right, so the crew was here all day, but unfortunately, they weren't able to finish. But it looks good so far for what they did do. But as you can see, the lower drawers still need to be installed. But the doors are in and they look nice, and they're gonna have handles on them when they're all done. And these are gonna be glass. Glass isn't in there yet, but it will be in. So the crew will be back in about 2 days, and hopefully by then everything will be done. Oh, and on a side note, this is Bike Week, where bikers from all over the world, or at least the United States, converge on the Myrtle Beach area. All right, today's a big day. Today, they're supposed to finally finish the kitchen cabinets. Okay, so unfortunately, it's not done. They did finish the uppers, let me show you. These came out great, and they're a big improvement over what was here before. New glass, new doors, the crown molding's up, new doors over here. But what's holding it up is they made the wrong size fronts for the drawers. And so they have to go back into the shop and remake the right size. As you can see, they're short. They should be the same size as the doors below, but they're not. And we have to ask them to adjust these drawers because they're supposed to be soft close, but they're rubbing. And so they don't close freely, you have to push them. But Josh's reputation at Beachside Refinishing is that he is very meticulous, so we know he's gonna get the job done right. So to get this video out on time, we're gonna post it this Friday, and then I'll do a short when the kitchen is completely done. And here's a quick before and after of at least the uppers. And next week, we're doing a video about all the restaurants on Ocean Boulevard here in Surfside Beach. We go to all of them and we give our opinion and review. Until next time, safe travels.